Hey everybody, Scott Smith from Southern California. Look what was just dropped off late last night, sitting here in the service drive. Brand new 2015 BMW M4 Coupe. First one to the dealership. Alpine white. Still in the transport mode, so a lot of the stuff isn't turned on, but I thought it's kind of cool when we get these things in fresh. Took a bunch of the plastic off it already and stuff so you guys could check it out. And we've been waiting a while for these cars. Still got the 60/40 split rear seats. Let's see, what do we got underneath the cover here? You got storage. There's your gel pack, because these have real tires on them. Michelin Super Sports. Look at the back seat headrests too. Looks like they're permanent except for fold down, instead of those foldable ones they do in the traditional. And then this one's got the true carbon fiber roof, just like the last generation. There's a sticker. Base price looks like $64,200. Driver's Assistance Plus. You got the blind spot detection, active driver's assistance side and top view camera, executive package, heated steering wheel, comfort access, rear view camera, park distance control, heads-up display, satellite radio for a year service. Lighting package, it's got the full adaptive LEDs, double clutch transmission, adaptive M suspension, 19-inch wheels, sunshade. This one's pretty loaded. Harman Kardon sound system. $82,300 US. Look at that amazing gas mileage. No, I'm just kidding. But it's still, it's great for this car. Check out the front seats. Awesome design on these front seats. Really cool design. Let's check out the back. This is the first time I've seen it too, guys and ladies. Got the black headliner. Still a 2+2 for seat belts. Can't fit everybody in. This one's got the full dash leather. So you got the sewing. You can see kind of a pretty cool trim inside too. Full nav. Double clutch transmission. Touchpad controller, which you know is pretty much showing up in everything with navigation or technology package. Got some black chrome trim, leather handle. It's got the good old M mirror folded in right now. Oh, and look here, I think this might just be one of the keys. Let me give you another shot of the car. This one's got the full LED headlight package, lighting package. It's got the double rib, grill, kind of traditional to the M, newer M series cars. Pretty sweet wheels on it too. These are the blacks. I can't remember if that's standard or not. I know one of you guys will let me know. Let's get into the driver's seat here. This one does have the Driver's Assistance Plus package. Blind spot detection, lane departure. Yes. Very cool. Yeah, I would have liked to have gotten a test drive on this thing for you guys, but it's complete transport mode, so a lot of stuff's not turned on. There's blocks in the suspension so they don't rock on the boats when they're coming over from Germany. I'll try to get another video out with some driving and stuff like that, hopefully in the next week or two if I can get my hands on it. Since this is the first one, they're going to be all picky about how many miles we put on it, so maybe I can grab it and go put some gas in it for them. Yeah, let's get back to the outside. Give you a nice shot. I'll get another video on for that M3 too, so you guys will have them back to back for you in case you're thinking 2-door or 4-door. Hey, thanks for watching. Share it with your friends and other media sites. Thumbs up. See you later.